What is up guys, Dana this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a hook and hold rate custom metrics in Facebook ads. So let's get started. First, you need to head over to the Ads Manager's website and then you need to log in with your Ads Manager's account. And after that, you will be redirected to this campaigns page. From here, you need to click on this columns performance. And after that, you need to click on customize columns. After clicking on customized columns, a pop-up window will appear. From here. You need to select the matrices, and after selecting all the metrics, just simply click on apply, and after that your matrix has been applied. But to create a custom one, click on customize columns, and then you need to click on custom, and after that you need to click on this create custom matrix. After that, another pop-up will appear. From here you need to select the matrix like this, and after that you just need to uh, input the impressions. Let's say a 3-second video plays per rate per impression, and after that you just simply need to adjust and customize it according to your wish and requirements. And after that you need to just name this metric, and then you need to select the format. After selecting the format, you need to enter the description, which is totally optional. And after adding the description, you need to click on this who can access this, and then you need to permit that only you can access it, or everyone with access to this ad account can access it. So you need to choose that only you or everyone. So after that, when you are done, uh, you just simply click on create metric. But if you want to create another hook and hold feature, hook or hold feature, click on create and add another, and you just need to give it a name because it is mandatory. And after that, when I click on create and add another, here you can see I have the option to add another one. So from here, you can just simply add another ones, and you can add as many as you want. And this is how you can create a hook and hold rate custom metrics in Facebook ads campaign. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.